Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to add live wallpapers on Windows. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. So I will be showing you a few ways or methods on how to add live wallpapers on your Windows. First, if you're using your PC, of course, or laptop, all you have to do is go to the search icon and then look for Microsoft Store. Here you have to go to the search icon and then you have to look for live wallpapers. Now you will see tools here or applications that can help you add live wallpaper on your Windows. So all you have to do is just tap any of this right here. If you're looking for advanced features, then you can go and then look for not free. But if you want to use the free version, just stop and then you just have to install or get, and then after that you have to apply. Now you can also go to any web browser. Then here you can search for live wallpapers PC, and there are tons of sites right here that can help you install and add wallpapers to your PC. So let's just say if you want any from this site, all you have to do is tap and then you have to look for live wallpapers. You have your option anime, games, fantasy, nature, and so on. So let's just tap on fantasy. Now here, all you have to do is to tap that specific wallpaper or live wallpaper that you want to add to your PC. So this is the result. I have to pick this one. And then what you're going to do next is you have to tap on the download button here. So live wallpaper for your desktop, click this one. And you will see that it is now starting to download. Once you will see this downloading right here. Now, before you can use this, you need to download first the My Live wallpaper. Once you have installed, tap on the folder and then run this as administrator. Now tap on next. Tap on next, next, accept, next, next, and then install. And then finish. Now what you're going to do here is you have to basically browse the wallpaper that we have downloaded earlier. Tap on browse. Tap this one, click open. Now you can set anything here, such as the fitting option, vertical, slow, down, and then you can add music file if you want. Then once done, all you have to do is tap on My Live Wallpaper. Once done, you can see it right here. And basically, that's how easy it is. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.